The United States is one of the largest countries in the world, filled with stunning landscapes and incredible sights. From vast deserts to snowy mountains, sparkling lakes, and rugged coastlines, every state offers something unique to explore. Between the towering Rocky Mountains in the west and the rolling Blue Ridge Mountains in the east, you can find natural wonders, historic landmarks, and vibrant cities that are unlike anywhere else. One of the best ways to experience America's beauty is by going on a road trip. Hitting the highways and byways allows you to see the most breathtaking scenery at your own pace. Along the way, you can stop at famous landmarks, hidden gems, and must-see national parks. Here are 25 of the most beautiful places to visit in the United States, each offering unforgettable views, fascinating history, or simply a moment of peace in nature. Lake, this desert landscape now offers breathtaking scenery and photo opportunities. The flats also host land speed events, where racers attempt record-breaking runs. Sunrise and sunset are particularly magical times to witness the shimmering reflections. Number 24, Badlands, South Dakota. The Badlands feature fantastical formations, colorful canyons, and otherworldly landscapes shaped over millennia by wind and rain. Pinnacles, spires, and sharply eroded buttes rise dramatically, painted in pastel hues. Badlands National Park showcases the most stunning sights, with trails for hiking and wildlife spotting, including bison and prairie dogs. Number 23. Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts. Just south of Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard is a charming island loved by celebrities, artists, and travelers. Quaint towns, boutique hotels, scenic beaches, and outdoor activities like cycling and golfing create a relaxed, picturesque atmosphere. Visitors can explore hidden coves, enjoy local art galleries, and savor fresh seafood at cozy restaurants. Number 22, Niagara Falls, New York. One of the world's most famous waterfalls, Niagara Falls consists of American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. Observation decks offer incredible views, but a boat trip beneath the falls truly captures their size and power. Millions of visitors come each year to marvel at this natural wonder. Number 21, Bryce Canyon, Utah. Bryce Canyon National Park features stunning amphitheaters and unique rock formations called hoodoos. Eroded over millennia, the limestone landscapes provide dramatic scenery often painted in soft sunset tones. Wildlife like elk, black bears, and mountain coyotes can sometimes be seen roaming the area. Number 20. Glacier Bay, Alaska. Glacier Bay boasts snow-capped mountains, fjords, and iceberg-dotted coves. Part of a national park, it offers pristine wilderness and abundant wildlife, including porpoises and humpback whales. Visitors often explore by cruise, kayak, or camping in this remote landscape. Number 19. Big Sur, California. Big Sur is a rugged stretch along Highway 1, lined with towering redwoods and breathtaking beaches. The area provides excellent hiking trails and state parks, making it a must-see for travelers seeking scenic drives and outdoor adventures. Number 18. Antelope Canyon, Arizona. Near Page, Arizona, Antelope Canyon is a stunning slot canyon with flowing sandstone walls. Divided into the Crack and the Corkscrew, its corridors glow with natural light. Located in a Navajo tribal park, all visits require guided tours to preserve its beauty. Number 17. Blue Ridge Parkway, Virginia, and North Carolina. This 755-kilometer scenic road passes through lush forests, sparkling streams, and charming towns like Boone and Roanoke. Known for incredible mountain vistas, the Blue Ridge Parkway is one of the National Park System's most visited areas, offering scenic overlooks and hiking opportunities. Number 16. Arches National Park, Utah. Arches National Park is home to over 2,000 natural sandstone arches. Famous formations include Landscape Arch, Delicate Arch, and Double Arch. The park is perfect for hiking or cycling through striking rock landscapes and capturing stunning photos. Number 15. Multnomah Falls in Oregon. Located near Portland, Multnomah Falls cascades down two cliffs, creating a breathtaking scene. Visitors can enjoy views from a footbridge at the lower Cascades, or hike to an observation deck for panoramic vistas of the surrounding forests. Number 14. The Golden Gate Bridge in California. Spanning the Golden Gate Strait, This iconic suspension bridge connects San Francisco to Marin County. Completed in 1937, its red-orange color enhances visibility through fog. The bridge is a globally recognized symbol of California and, honestly, an engineering marvel. Number 13, Savannah, Georgia. Savannah's historic district features cobblestone streets, park-like squares, and centuries-old architecture. The city blends history with modern dining and nightlife, making it a charming and culturally rich destination for visitors. Number 12, the Florida Keys, Florida. A chain of around 1,700 islands, the Florida Keys stretch between the Atlantic Ocean and Gulf of Mexico. Connected by the overseas highway, the Keys offer sunny beaches, tropical beauty, and recreational activities ranging from relaxation to lively nightlife. Number 11, Glacier National Park, Montana. On the Canadian border, Glacier National Park features dramatic mountains, glacial lakes, waterfalls, and diverse wildlife. Hiking trails provide incredible views, with opportunities to spot grizzly bears and golden eagles. Number 10, Sedona, Arizona. Sedona is famous for its red sandstone formations and spiritual significance. Visitors enjoy art galleries, spas, and alternative medicine shops. The town is particularly busy in summer, but its stunning scenery makes it worth the visit. Number 9, Great Sand Dunes, Colorado. Colorado's Great Sand Dunes rise up to 230 meters and stretch endlessly. Visitors can hike, sandboard, and enjoy breathtaking views of dunes set against mountains and forests on the horizon. Number 8, Lake Tahoe, California, and Nevada. Lake Tahoe is the second deepest lake in the United States, offering hiking, boating, winter sports, and summer relaxation. Its vast shoreline provides some of the country's most impressive natural vistas. Number 7, Monument Valley, Arizona. Known for its massive sandstone buttes and iconic desert landscapes, Monument Valley is instantly recognizable. Referred to by the Navajo Nation as the Valley Between the Rocks, it's perfect for photography and cinematic scenery. Number 6, Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. Grand Teton features dramatic mountains, alpine lakes, and lush valleys. The park is ideal for hiking, climbing, and wildlife watching, with elk, bears, and moose roaming the vast landscapes. Number 5, Nepali Coast, Hawaii. On Kauai, the Nepali coast rises to 1,200 meters above the Pacific. Accessible only by hiking, kayaking, or helicopter, its jagged cliffs, hidden coves, and dramatic vistas have been featured in films like Jurassic Park. Number 4, Yosemite Valley, California. Yosemite Valley is the most popular part of Yosemite National Park. Surrounded by granite peaks like El Capitan and Half Dome, it features pine forests, waterfalls, and hiking trails, showcasing breathtaking scenery. Number 3, Manhattan, New York. The heart of New York City, Manhattan is home to skyscrapers, Central Park, Broadway, and landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and Empire State Building. Its vibrant city life and iconic skyline make it instantly recognizable. Number 2, Horseshoe Bend, Arizona. Near Page, Horseshoe Bend is a dramatic curve of the Colorado River, towering over 300 meters. A short hike leads to spectacular views, especially at sunset when the cliffs glow brilliantly. Number 1, Grand Prismatic Spring, Wyoming. Yellowstone's Grand Prismatic Spring is famous for its vivid rainbow colors. Measuring 110 meters in diameter and 50 meters deep, its reds, oranges, yellows, greens, and blues make it one of the most photographed natural wonders in the world. From iconic cityscapes to majestic mountains, deserts, lakes, and beaches, the United States offers a stunning variety of landscapes and experiences. Each of these 25 destinations showcases the country's natural beauty and cultural richness, perfect for road trips, photography, and unforgettable adventures.